Okay, I wanted to do a video on helping people with their digestive tract. Some people are bloated. They feel like they're bloated. They're sluggish. They want to be able to be a little bit more attentive so they can probably get back into working out. What I'm going to recommend is a smoothie. Okay, this smoothie, okay, turns out to the color is going to be green. All right, it's going to be green, right? So what you're going to need is some type of food processor. I use a Magic Bullet. You can go to Rite Aid, get it for like $20, $25, no more than $35. But the ingredients you want to use that's going to help you with your digestive system and help you to clean out your digestive system is pineapples and cucumbers. Okay, so if you want it to be a little bit more sweeter, then put more cucumbers in there. All right, and then add the cucumbers, right? Pineapples, cucumbers, and it turns out to be this. It's the best tasting smoothie. You'll love it, and I recommend it for your digestive system. If you're wanting to be able to get back into the gym because you want to get your digestive system to flatten out, this is it. All right, start off with one of these every morning and then go from there.